Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Prof Lexon here, and today I'm going to be doing Factor Theorem just like I promised in my previous video. But before that, I want to get into what I'll be doing in this channel as I go along. So first, I'll be doing some A-level maths and also some GCSEs as well on the way. And I'll be doing some sciences, languages as well. And also, I'll be doing some extras which may not be related to education, but that is just to see as we go together as a whole channel and community. So, let's get started with this two-part video. In the first part, we're going to be looking at the polynomial division, and the second part, we're going to be looking into the factor theorem itself. While I'm rubbing out this board, I'd just like to say thanks for watching this video. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and comment for anything else that you'd like to see. So, polynomials and polynomial division. So the reason why we're doing this is because the polynomials and polynomial divisions will be important when we do the factor theorem as well. So we get a formal definition for polynomials, which is basically the sum of non-negative integer powers of an unknown such as x. And below, we will give some examples of what we mean by the sums of non-negative integer powers of an unknown such as x. So we'll start with number 1, which is f of x is equal to x squared. So from this we can tell that the highest power is 2, and so we'd say that this function would have a degree of 2, as that's its highest power. Next example is f of x is equal to 3. Now here we do have an extra power, and here we have an x to the power of 0. And hence, as we have a power of 0, this would therefore be a degree of 0. The last example from this, we would have f of x be equal to x to the 5 plus x squared plus 1. And the highest power here is 5, which is what we looked at to find the degree. The degree of this expression would be 5. Now we're going to move on to polynomial divisions, and I'll just be starting with an example.